Hello everyone, welcome back to our ServiceNow HRST series. In this video, we will take a deep dive into ServiceNow HR case management, a crucial feature that helps HR teams track, manage, and resolve employee requests efficiently. We will cover everything from creating and managing HR cases to automating workflows for faster resolution. Let's get started. Understanding HR cases. HR cases form the backbone of HRST in ServiceNow. Here's what you need to know. What are HR cases? HR cases represent individual employee requests such as leave application, payroll inquiries, or benefit questions. Case lifecycle overview. Every case follows a structured lifecycle, typically moving through stages like open, work in progress, resolved, and closed. Importance of case tracking. HR case tracking ensures transparency, accountability, and timely response, improving employee satisfaction. Different case types. HR cases can be categorized into general inquiries, policy related cases, benefit cases, and employee relation cases. Creating HR cases. Now let's look at how HR cases are created into ServiceNow HRS. Manual case creation. HR agents can create cases manually through the HR case management module. Automating case creation. Cases can also be created automatically through the self-service portal, email integration, or chatbot interactions. Assigning cases to HR agents. Cases are assigned based on the predefined roles, ensuring that the right HR agent handles the request effectively. Using HR case templates. Templates help standardize case resolution by pre-filling fields, ensuring faster handling of HR issues. So let's explore the HR cases on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance, and we can manage the HR cases. Agent can work on the HR cases by using the HR agent workspace. Here you can see that he can manage all the open cases. You can see that what cases are assigned to the agent, and then open, unassigned cases, closed cases, all cases. So all these things are managed from the workspace by an agent. Then HR case. This is the module HR case management, and under this, these are all HR cases. So if we open this, then you can see that these are the different HR cases. Like this case is in work in progress, and if we open this, so this is the case number and open for this user, subject person is this, then HR service is new hire onboarding, and state is work in progress, and assignment group is this, and this assignment group is assigned on the predefined criteria, and this is the short description of case, and this is the for the request onboarding case for the user, and this is the description of the case, and these are the different tasks, and this is the related list of the case. So this is the case, and if we want to manually create any case, we simply click on the new button, and from here I can by filling the details I can open a new case. So in this way, we can manually create the case, and we can also create uh, the cases from employee center. So from this self-service portal, we can also create the cases, different cases. So these are the different ways of creating the cases. Managing HR cases. Once cases are created, managing them effectively is key. Updating and tracking case progress. HR agents can update case details, change status, and document interaction to track case progress. Escalating cases. If an HR case requires urgent attention, escalation rules ensures that it reaches a senior HR representative. Then communicating with employees. ServiceNow enable direct communication via comments, emails, and notifications within the case itself. Closing and archiving cases. Once resolved, cases can be closed and archived for future reference and compliance purposes. Automating HR case workflows. Automation streamline HR processes, reducing manual efforts and ensuring consistency. Workflow setup basis. Workflow define how cases move through different states and which actions are triggered at each step. Defining case states. ServiceNow allow organization to configure case states such as new, in progress, pending, employee, resolved, and closed. Adding SLA for resolution times. SLA ensures HR cases are resolved within the predefined timeframes, improving efficiency. Automating case routing. Based on predefined rules, cases can be automatically assigned to HR teams and individuals based on workload, expertise, or priorities. That wraps up our video on HR case management in ServiceNow HRSD. We covered case creation management, automation, and best practices to help streamline HR processes. In the next video, we will explore another essential HRSD feature. So stay tuned. See you next time. Thank you.